Samsung has officially kicked off mass production for the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, and they're hitting shelves sooner than expected. According to recent reports, Samsung had planned to begin production in May, and they've stuck to the schedule right on time. Tear off calendar, but here's the twist: production targets are lower this year. The company is only making 3 million Flip 7 units and 2 million Fold 7 units. That's a massive 40% drop compared to last year. Why? Because foldable phone sales just haven't met expectations. Chart decreasing. But that's not all. Samsung has also started producing accessories for both models, and even a Trifold Galaxy phone is in the works. Astonished face, however, that ultra-premium device will be extremely limited, with just 200,000 units planned due to its expected high price. Now let's talk power under the hood fire. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to pack the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite chipset, the same beast that powers the Galaxy S25 series. But the Flip 7? That's still a mystery. Some test models are using the Exynos 2500, but insiders say it might not be ready in time, meaning the Flip 7 could also end up running a Snapdragon chip. And yes, there were whispers that the Fold 7 might be slimmer than the sleek Oppo Find N5, but don't get your hopes up for an 8.2mm folded design just yet. Meanwhile, Apple is reportedly saving its first foldable iPhone for the iPhone's 20th anniversary in 2027. But with ongoing supply chain issues, even Apple CEO Tim Cook is reportedly worried, especially about equipping all iPhone 17 models with 12GB RAM. So, are you excited for Samsung's next foldables? Or is the market cooling off? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Trove for the latest in tech and innovation. Bell Speech Balloon.